What a piece of junk, Ford, you stupid. Oh, you thought we were gonna unbox something with the D-Wall? No, it's just this beating tool for this fucking radio. Ding. Build what? So, this is all the pieces we need here to make our dash, not for the plebs in the King Ranch. This here has Apple CarPlay, a backup camera, all brought to you by ATOTO Navigation. And this is the second top selling radio on Amazon. Of course, we'll leave a link in the description below. There we go. Pop this guy open. Let's see what we get. Camera, wire itself, and a mounting bracket to the radio itself. Pop this guy open. So this is apparently a 10.1 inch display, which is kind of like an iPad. So we got some paperwork. Expertly cataloged that. Oh, we got a screen protector. Not bad. You guys can't really see in here. But yeah, so you open her up, you got a screen protector on top. Not bad. Not bad. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Holy. This thing is large. Oh, yep, so she's got the double DIN adapter. Alright, so here's the radio out on the table on the workbench here in front of the truck. This is the old double DIN system that they're sadly going away from. We have our wires connected up here, so this is what they give you in the box. This is your conventional harness that we have to wire everything into. That's most of the fun. Most of the fun is this guy right here. But then we also have the USB, which is this cable. Goes into the top right here. The GPS antenna, the Wi-Fi antenna. And then we're gonna have, this is the conventional radio adapter. That's gonna also go in there. So we are kind of just laying stuff out. Whoa. That's the old alarm system. The chimes. Shush. Alright, so you're going to start off by popping this cover off. Should pop on out. There's two snappies. Oh, yep. And then this cover, where the aux cable for the factory guy goes. Pop this off. Hiding a one screw here. Same thing on the opposite side. I'm trying to remember if there's any more. I don't think so. I don't think so. Got the right size. Let's take it out. So there's four of those same size that holds this panel on. There's four of those holding in the radio. As soon as you pop those bad layers out, the whole radio assembly should slide out of itself. Like so. Try and do yourself a favor. Leave as many things connected as you can to this panel. All these switches, etc. Kind of just try and pull the radio itself out. Look in the back. Every cable that's going into it has a little tab on the top. Ta-da! Yeah, this was a King Ranch radio too. These were expensive back in the day. This screen like had full GPS. Boop, boop. Went like for our new radio. So this is the harness that's going to adapt it to our Ford. Sold to me by my beautiful friend in Walpole who runs an audio shop. Walpole Audio, if you're local, hit him up. He is the absolute man. I put in many sound systems. I literally drove my stuff down. He's helped me out for free before. He's so nice. He comes out. Well, his time being free, as in he's helping me just solve one little thing I can't figure out, and he's nice enough to be like, hey, it's just this. This harness goes into the radio, connects to this, goes into the Ford. You'll see. It's easy. This might just look like a jumble of wires. We're going to show you how to put it together, and how it's actually quite simple.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything.
The venom in my brain, only from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen no many once, I just so they get famous. And I say the truth, most really can't take it. Spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted, created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Ah, nice.